RGUplus is a new programme that we are developing here at RGU that will run alongside your course. This programme will provide you some additionality that will really enable you to become a fantastic employee and a good global citizen. I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback on this fantastic new initiative that we're delivering here for you at Robert Gordon University.
Creating a sustainable future constitutes the greatest global priority. Increasingly, employers are looking for graduates who understand sustainability in relation to their field of work, who can challenge norms and who can think differently. Whatever your course of study, RGUplus will equip you to contribute sustainably as professionals and as citizens.
We live in an increasingly complex world, and we want our students to go out into that world with the confidence and the ability to find solutions to the problems that they have. And they do that by having an entrepreneurial mindset. And here at RGU, we are committed to providing you with the tools to have that entrepreneurial mindset.
Beyond the classroom pathways are small and accessible units of learning that help you capture your experiences that are beyond the walls of the university. So for example, if you're volunteering, if you're a school officer, if you're part of a club or society, and if you're part-time working, let us help you capture those experiences and help you turn them into skills that are essential for your unique employability journey.
So now you've heard all about RGUplus and what it's got to offer. What I want to ask you to do is to embrace this opportunity, do everything you can with it, and we really hope that it gives you added value for the rest of your life.